What role does talking have during your exercise? Actually, it doesn't play any role. In fact, if you're talking during a strength exercise, you're distracting yourself from focusing on the things that matter most. We call those your workout skills. You're also potentially distracting your trainer, getting them to not pay attention and not provide the coaching that they're there to provide. So talking diminishes the value and the benefits of your exercise. So what would we suggest as a set of best practices every time you're strength training? Well, number one is understand that first recommendation. Do not talk during the exercise. Your goal is to be quiet and focus on the things that matter. What are those things? Number two, your workout skills. You should always be paying attention to your speed. At MEDFITNESS, we do that by using the MEDFITNESS clock. And then you should also pay attention to your form, which is where is your body? Are you maintaining proper form on every repetition? And then lastly, of course, just work as hard as you possibly can to get the maximum stimulus and health benefits out of each exercise.